Oh, hello friends. So here we are going to see how to host an EC2 instance of an AWS cloud platform. Okay. First of all, go to search engine and search for AWS login. Then click on sign in. Here we get one interface like AWS Marketplace as here. Okay. Then click on that AWS console. So I have already logged in my AWS account. If you not, just log in it and go in service and search for EC2. So it is already seen here as a EC2. So just click on it. Here we go for EC2 dashboard web page. So we just creating an EC2 instance. To creating an instance, we just click on instance. Okay, here we seen that no any instance are get running. So for running state, we just create a new instance by clicking a launch instance. Okay, here are the some steps to launch an instances. Okay, first is name the instance. So I name as a AWS HTT. So here are some operating system which you want to choose. So I just choose one Windows. You can choose any of them, and then you choose server free tier because it isn't just free tier account. You can choose any apart from this free tier, but you can just pay for this server. I just choose free tier. This is 64-bit architecture. We get instance type as a free tier eligible. It is default because we have the two core CPUs and 1 GB of memory in our operating system which you want to give. So this is the key pair. If you have previously selected key pair, then you can select that, or if you not, you go to the create new pair. I just creating a new pair because I haven't create a previous key pair. So key pair name is AWS HTT key. Okay, and the .pem file format which is by default text. So you can choose .pem file only for Windows. Then click on create keep here. Here we get .pem file format dot of a keep here. So the second is the network setting. We just keep as a default for VPC IP, and we can use any of this subnet. So I just choose no preference for subnet and make it enable as a public IP. So in security group, we just name our security group name. We just name as a AWS HTT SVC. Okay, just edit. Okay, so security group is just it's a virtual firewall that controls the internal and external traffics of an instances. Okay, the source type we just choose what the source type is. We just choose anywhere because I can access user can access this EC2 instance from anywhere any of the world, any places of the world, which having different IPs as well. Okay, so this is my IP, so I can access only I can access only this instance only from my IP. Okay, it gives our users ECIP. Okay, I just keep it at anywhere because it isn't for public. Configure storage, we just configure our storage memory of our operating system. So I just make it as a default. And this is okay. This is some steps of EC2. Then launch instance, just launching an instance. Okay, here we get a successfully launched of instance. So here, this is our EC2 instance ID. Just click on it. Okay, here we seeing that the instance state is running. Okay, so click on the instance, and here we seen that our public EC2 address and private address and EC2 instance, our AWS STD, then go for connect this EC2 instances to our uh, operating system that is we are choose previously. Okay. Go to RDB plan and just for downloading the remote desktop file we just need a password. Okay, let's first fix the password. Okay, uh, saying that 4 minutes after launching the instance we just wait for. Okay, here we get the Windows password. Okay, so the key pair associated with this instance is like we just created here, key pair as STD key. So private keys must be uh, previously we have downloaded one key pair.pm file, that is our private key file. Okay, just click on it and get open. So, okay, this is encrypted as a security group. Okay, so it is safe for private key. Okay. It is only accessible for users and AWS vendors. Okay, then click on decrypt password. Okay, we get an password like this. So copy the password and download the remote desktop file. Okay, you just download this remote desktop file and you just open it, and it asking about to connect the desktop remote desktop to an EC2 instance. Okay, from our user desktop to virtual desktop. Okay, some you just copied the password and paste in it. Click on OK. Okay, it is saying for remote desktop connection. Okay, we just click on S. Okay, here we are at last step that we just here we get the access of our virtual uh, operating system which have we choose previously. So we choose as a Windows. So here we get the Windows interface. So okay. So in this we just uh, configure EC2 instances as 2 core CPU and something we get 31 maybe I guess GB memory. So this is virtually get desktop. Okay, I just access by remote only, by remote connection only. So if you want to close it, just click on pause button in this and just make it okay. Okay. So you can just end up with this EC2 instance. Okay, this is from my side. Thank you.